Welcome back to Geography class with a new chapter named Agriculture. In this chapter, we are going to study about human economic activities, factors affecting agriculture, and types of farming. Let's begin the first topic, that is agriculture and human economic activities. Agriculture is the term used to describe the act of growing crops and raising livestock for human consumption and use. The word agriculture is derived from two Latin words, ager and culture. Ager, which means land or field, and the word culture, which means cultivation. So that is the cultivation of land. Dear children, we know all things available from land cannot be consumed directly. They need to be converted into finished product for human consumption through different economic activities. So there are three types of human activities, namely primary, secondary and tertiary activities. First activity, primary activities. The activities which are connected with extraction and production of natural resources are called primary activities. For example, agriculture, fishing, food gathering, forestry, mining, etc. In India, 2/3 of the population is dependent on agriculture. Next is secondary activities. The activities which deal with the processing of natural resources. For example, manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, weaving of cloth. Next is tertiary activities. The activities which support the primary as well as the secondary activities are called tertiary activities. For example, banking, transport, finance, education, trade, etc. Thus, agriculture comes under the primary activity. It includes growing crops, vegetables, fruits, flowers, and rearing of livestock. In today's industrial age, 50% of the world's population is engaged in agricultural activity, either directly or indirectly. Agriculture in present day is of dual importance. Not only does it feed the people of a country, but it also provides raw materials for many other industries, such as sugarcane for making sugar and cotton for textile manufacturing. Agriculture is also a consumer of industrial products like tractors, harvesters, threshers, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Thus, the industrial sector and the agricultural sector depend on each other for growth and prosperity. Dear students, as you know that agriculture is the cultivation of soil. Similarly, there are other terms associated with culture. Example, Sericulture. It is the cultivation of silkworm. Next is pisciculture. It is a breeding of fish. Next is viticulture. It is a cultivation of grapes. Another is horticulture, which means growing fruits, vegetables and herbs. Next is floriculture. It means the cultivation of flowers. Another is truck gardening. It means the cultivation of vegetables for direct sale to the consumers and restaurants. Thanks for watching patiently.